news now.
Good evening. It's the neighborhood fight over a privately built wall in southwest Bakersfield that has dragged on for years. Today, the appeals court coming to a decision.
23 ABC's Emma Lockhart joining us now with more on the lengthy legal battle that divided a neighborhood. Emma?
Tim, Jess, back in 2013, a lawsuit was filed after Michael Hansen built a wall on his property that cut off a pathway many neighbors used. Throughout the years of legal trouble for both sides, the case went to the California Supreme Court, and today the 5th District Court ruled in favor of Hansen. Today, the Hansen family celebrating with their attorney.
We hugged because it's been a 5.5-year battle.
The 5th District Court of Appeals ruling in favor of Michael and his father, Dan Hansen, who built the infamous Amberton wall. The wall cut off a pathway on their property that adjoined two cul-de-sacs, one on the Stockdale estate side, the other on the Amberton side. But according to Hansen's attorney, Ray Mullen, the pathway was causing issues.
There was a congregation of teenagers hanging out there and having beer parties and leaving things around, and his house had been burgled twice, and the neighbors' houses on the Stockdale side had been vandalized and their cars vandalized.
That prompting Hansen to block the pathway in 2013, causing pushback from residents on the other side.
The people on the Amberton side were upset. And they came, they tried to call the cops. There was a slight altercation, and the decision was made to leave it up to the courts to decide what to do.
The Amberton-Stockdale Alliance was formed, and they filed a lawsuit against the Hansens in 2013. The case went to trial, and the Kern County Judge Lumpy ruled in favor of those on the Amberton side. The Hansens then appealed the ruling, and the case went to California Supreme Court.
That case finally came down a year ago. It was in our favor. We still had to get it addressed by the 5th District. We did that just last week.
Today, the 5th District Court of Appeals followed the Supreme Court's decision and ruled in favor of the Hansens, allowing them to keep the wall up.
Are relieved, primarily, because otherwise there was a part of the decision included that they had to pay the Amberton side's attorney's fees of $75,000.
Now, according to Mullen, the Amberton residents have the right to appeal to the California Supreme Court. We reached out to the attorney for the Amberton-Stockdale Alliance, Michael Whittington, for comment, but he did not get back to us as of news time. Reporting in studio, Emma Lockhart, 23 ABC.
Emma, thanks.